Hi friends, welcome back everyone to Angel Trading Friend, and in this particular video I'm going to teach you the importance of options trading. And if at all you have not started options trading, this would be a stepping stone for you to think about it or even consider trading options trading. So before going forward, just wanted to update you my number, WhatsApp number 809587876525. In case you need any support or you need any additional services, you can always WhatsApp on my number. And all of you those who have not opened account with Upstock or Angel Broking, you can always join with the link available in my video. You will get an opportunity to join my premium Telegram channel. Okay friends, so let us go forward. So as I was telling you, options is a magic. Yes, the word is magic because it has done wonders to many people, and many people don't know the importance of options. The reason might be because many of them, when they ask about options or they hear about options, they think it is very complicated, or might be they are misguided by many people. So that is the reason many of them stay away from options. So from long time I was always getting inquiries, I was always getting feedbacks, reviews, and people were asking me to, sir, please teach options or please start any courses on options. So that is the reason I thought about making this course for you all. I made an introduction video today. I'll be giving you details about what will be covered in this particular options course, what you'll be learning, how you can take advantage of it, and how you can start minting money in options. So all these available details are available in this video, so stay tuned till end of the video for full updates. Okay friends, so just before going forward, for the people those who are on the verge of quitting trading, just a small message or humble message from me: don't quit trading. Give a last chance to me. Yes, I'm asking you openly, give a last chance to me to teach you to trade. Yes, it can be anything, whichever you're comfortable. You're in equity or in options or futures, whichever you're comfortable. I'm ready to teach you and mentor you. So give me a last chance. Don't quit trading. In case this is only for people those who are on the verge of quitting. Okay. So coming back to the topic which we were discussing today, the power of options trading, or why do we need to ever consider options trading. Friends, the most important part of trading, consider doing options trading, the beautiest part is we can do hedging, which is nothing but your money is very safe by doing options trading. Many of them don't know this because, as I told you, they have been misguided by some other people, those who have lost money, and they keep telling that no, options is risky, you might lose all your money, option selling is dangerous, and option trading is dangerous, and all those, etc, etc. Friends, but the beauty of options is that it is used for hedging. You can also hedge your equities, or you can hedge your futures, or you can hedge your any strategies, or you can do hedging strategy itself and then make a lot of money in options. So this is the foremost important reason why we have to consider trading options. Second most important thing, as I have shown you here, is the cost. The cost comes down when you trade options. Friends, when did I realize this? I would just like to share you my experience. I think almost 2 years back, when I was just filing my income tax, I forgot to consider my trading, whatever I was doing my trading and all those things. I forgot to consider that, and I just skipped it. I had not filed my returns, my profits with respect to trading. Then I got a notice from the income tax department saying that you have done a turnover of around 100 crores. I don't know if it was not in 100 crores. It was more bigger number than that. And they asked me to show the details, proofs for that, and what was the income source for that, what was the reason for such big turnovers and all those things. So I was suddenly shocked seeing such big turnovers. The reason was because I was trading in futures, I was trading in bank nifty and all those things. And then, as you all know, that the turnover will be very high when you're trading in futures. So I was really shocked, and then they had asked me to pay the percentage of part of turnover, which I did not agree because it was going a huge amount. Then I had to do many other justifications, and somehow I got rid of it. And that is the time when I started looking into options, and then started exploring options, and I realized that the same power of futures, the same power of equity, we can trade even in options as well by just risking a small amount. So if at all you see, look into the premiums, the premium of an at the money or out of the money options of Bank Nifty options will be hardly 200-300 rupees, whereas Bank Nifty is almost 30,000 rupees. So almost you're reducing by so much of 100th time you're reducing, and then you're as you know that the turnover tax has to be paid, the STT has to be paid, there are many taxes which you have to pay. So by doing options, all these taxes, everything comes down drastically. It's a huge difference. It's not that I'm not discouraging you from doing futures. I'm only recommending for people those who are trading with big funds. So in case if you're trading with big funds, you end up paying a lot of money for your taxes and stamp duties and all those things. So all those things can be avoided by trading options. That is one reason why I switched on to options, and that is the reason why I started teaching, mentoring on options. Now onwards, you can see that I'll be making lots of videos on options. I'll be guiding you as well. I'll be making you, if at all you would have joined my, if at all people those who have joined my premium Telegram channel, you would have known that we started off kickstarted by teaching basic simple concepts about options and all those things. My intention is to give you regular updates about options, to teach you more in depth about options. So I have started off this journey, and I would like to make you also welcome in case if you want to join along with us, to join this particular program where I'll be concentrating more on options only, because this is a magic. I'm repeating the word again, it's a magic, and if at all you have not tried, you can just give a try. And other important factors why I recommend options is it's very less risky, because imagine you're just trading Bank Nifty one lot of future in options. You're just risking 200 rupees or 300 rupees into the lot size, that is 20. That's it. So in case if you lose it also, you'll be only losing so much of money. So the fund required also is very less. That is why we can also say that the potential returns are very huge. So just by risking 5,000 to 10,000 rupees, you can make lakhs of rupees. I'm not guaranteeing you always, because you need to learn a lot, and it's not easy money, friends. Don't think that just by 1 or 2 days you can learn options. It requires lot of time. You have to learn it. Okay, you have to spend time to learn the basics, but I can assure you that it's less risky, and I can also assure you that the returns are very high. I think there's already many would have told you. And also, last but not the least, we can do lots and lots of strategies out of options, because there are calls, there are puts, there is writing, there is buying. So there is in the money, there is out of the money, there is at the money. There are many concepts. So out of these things, you can make lots and lots of strategies. So this is the one among the best reasons. I don't think you need any other reasons for starting off options. In case if you're not started options, then I would recommend this ATF options course for you. So you all know ATF is nothing but the short form of Angel Trading Friends. So the program name, I am naming it as ATF option course. So I'll be covering about options intraday trading, how to do intraday trading, then how to do options swing trading. You'll also be learning about options positional trading. Then the most beauteous part is you'll also be learning about options hedging, and based on the request I've also included about covered call strategies. So I'll show you a super sure or a best method of using this covered call and making regular income. So in case if you want further details and if you want to join this option course, you can always WhatsApp on my number. My number is 8095876525. So if at all you feel that you're ready to start up with options, you can always join. Okay friends, so once again, thank you for watching the channel, and please do subscribe my channel if you're not subscribed still, because I'll be concentrating more towards options, and we are going to learn more about options, and we are going to make money together. And also friends, I have posted a poll where I am asking you whether do you really need live trading videos, because a few people were telling me, sir, please start off your live trading videos, because previously I was posting my live trading videos. The only problem which I was facing was some people started saying that I am boasting, I'm showing off my profits, I'm showing off making money and all those things. So then I felt that there is no need for exaggerating and all those things. That is why I stopped showing live trading videos. But if at all you feel it's encouraging you, if at all you feel that yes, it encourages you to trade, and you want me to do continue this live trading videos, then just go click yes on the poll. You can go to my channel and just check. I have posted the poll. You can just press yes, so that I'll get a clear indication from you all whether I have to post the live trading videos. Also friends, any other strategies, backtested file you want or any support you want, you can always WhatsApp on my number. You know my number is 8095876525. And last but not the least, you can join Angel Broking or Upstock with the link which I have provided in the description of this video. And the beauty of it is you will be getting a chance to join my ATF premium channel. And in this particular channel, I will be updating regularly about options. We are learning about options, so we started off slowly, and we'll be learning more and more in that as well. And whenever we get time, especially in the weekends, we'll be learning. And also calls which I'm taking or trades which I'm executing, I also keep posting in that group as well. So in case if you want to join that group, you can always join Upstock or Angel Broking with the link which I provided, and you can join as well. Okay friends, so thank you and have a nice day.